This, if the IRS goes after this pastor or you know, checks into this pastor based on his comments, there are those who are going to say, well, look, it's the Obama administration waging a war against religion. The government's not supposed to tell churches or pastors what they can or can't do. How do you respond to that? I mean, does your group only focus on pastors who are against Democratic presidents?
No, we are kind of an absolutely fair-minded, pro-anti-Democrat Republican. We're concerned about the principle here. And that is that people go to church for a lot of reasons, including spiritual science. They go to learn about the Bible. They go, if they're Christians, to learn about the life of Jesus, how it applies to their life. They do not go to church to be told who to vote for because they missed the political action committee meeting on Saturday night. That's not why they're in church on Sunday. This has been going on. There are groups that are actually organizing to get churches deliberately this fall in a campaign to go and have preachers preach against candidates. Of course, in this case, it's a group called the Alliance Defense Fund. They only end up having churches preach against Democrats. But we think it's just as wrong for Michelle Obama about a week or so before their last election in 2008 to go to the North Carolina Baptist Council of Churches meeting and get a convention there and give a pep rally. That is not what churches are about. That's not what charities are about. That's not why they get tax exemption. They get them. It's incredibly valuable to them, and they ought to play by the one simple rule: just don't endorse or oppose candidates. These pastors, Anderson, knew exactly what they were getting into in both the Kentucky case and just talking about this show, the video. These pastors made comments that suggested that somebody totally disagree wrong and the government might come after them. They worked in defiance of not only the laws, but as is, I think, apparent to me in my pastoral role, in defiance of everything that Christianity could and should mean.
But they, I mean, they can say whatever they want. It's just a question of whether or not they can get tax.
Surely, some churches, very few, give up the tax exemption. They may say anything they want. They can also talk about it. People can talk about marriage equality, whether it's right or wrong, and be very conservative from now until the end of time on that one subject. You can do that. That does not violate the tax code. It violates the tax code. Starting to say, well, not,
It's
It's the gift and take to create to sustain the living particles. So we go to the ends of the earth and back. To include to the front lines in the battle to find solutions. To reach cities with powerful ideas. And lead people who inspire change. We're not just going to read. We're going beyond borders. Teaching acting classes in California are now is what you guys public schools sharing the sweet screen with pages of the listeners. This week on True Asia, we feature on the
to me to backfire. I think it's one of the reasons easy with these attacks. And certainly when you look at what he said, he actually said very balanced. He said some of these investments made were successful and made money and paid a job. Others did. He hasn't said 100,000 jobs that were played. He hasn't said 100,000 jobs that were
Ari, I gotta let you respond to that guy.
I think it is an appropriate thing to talk about. I think that's what the Democrats have said what they said because they recognize the role of the private company. Sensitive. Distrust private sector.
I walked in and everybody knew why I was there. I was
People who ride in corporate jets.
the house was trying to jump the fence to get that picture. I walked past the TV room and the room locked open and my door. I was there for almost 6 months. And they were nice. That were extremely fun. They see my family. They never used to. Correct.
So they were protected in the sense.
Yeah, it's just
You're on the road.
I just got to look at this company. They've been there 10, 15 years. Hadn't had a visit, a letter from a family member. And so at night when I was sometimes I cry, I why are you acting like this when the woman down the hall was sitting here over a texting and she has no family that's who she is? If she can wake up every day with this sense of hope and faith,
Any money, would you still want to go? So that's not been a great frustration for you. If you were still a vacancy for that, you would still way far ahead you would have
going on from 8 to 14 and when I made my first choice. And to me, the biggest issue was not asking for the questions, and not asking for things, really thinking why, all that. But I was so